Nails should be trimmed short. Wristwatch may be pushed up above the wrist or mid-forearm if it reaches that way. But the best thing is have everything out or removed. No? Parang here. Push the sleeves of your uniform or shirt up kung mahaba siya above the wrist at mid-forearm level. Pero with the case of Dennis, it's already above his elbow. So, next, assess for your hands on any hangnails, cuts, or breaks on the skin, and the areas that are heavily soiled. So if you see sa singit-singit ng kuko mo, maraming itim-itim, no? You know, you have to assess and know where to focus on your washing. Alright? Then we start turning on the water and adjusting the flow and temperature when necessary. So for example, Marcel is already turned on the water and then checking the water temperature that should be warm. So adjusted to the amount na hindi siya masyadong malakas. Wet the hands and lower forearms thoroughly.
During your return demonstration, since we have only an improvised faucet, hindi natin pwedeng on continuous. But during the return demonstration, your faucet should be running, or your water should be running continuously. You will not be turning it off.
Until
Okay?
you finish soaping.
Then when wetting your hands, you should start first on the arms, going to your hands.
After wetting the hands and lower forearms thoroughly by holding under running water, keep your hands and forearms in the down position with elbows straight. Okay, down position, your elbows are straight, not bended. Like this one. Avoid splashing water and touching the sides of the sink. Then apply about 5 ml or 1 teaspoonful of liquid soap. You're about to apply. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoonful, approximately 1 teaspoon. And lather thoroughly. So thoroughly rub your hands together for about 10 to 15 seconds, interlacing fingers and thumb. Interlacing. No? Then move your hands back and forth to wash between the digits of your fingers. Rub your palm and back of your hands with circular motion. While you're doing that, you can start singing the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to Special attention should be provided to areas with the knuckles and your fingernails. Knuckles and your fingernails. Okay? Which are known to harbor microorganisms. Ayan. So one by one, your fingernails. Isa-isa yan. Okay? It should be rubbed properly. And then your fingertips. Particularly your nails. After 10 to 15 seconds, raise the hands in a down position, elbows straight. Raise in the direction of your forearms to the wrist of your fingers. But to make sure that there are no soap already left. Okay? After which, blot your hands with forearms to dry thoroughly. Dry in the direction of the fingers to the wrist and forearm, making use of your hand towel. Then discard the paper towels in the proper receptacle. Okay? So after keeping dry, you make use of a dry paper towel to turn off the water faucet.
Paper towel.
Use of a paper towel to turn off the faucet. But after you turn off the faucet with a paper towel, don't anymore use it back again on your Sorry. That's the latter part. You have to discard. Okay? After using the paper towel to turn off the faucet knob, discard. Huh? Sino isa pa?